Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by using an administrator account so updates can install without prompts. Once signed in, make sure your Dell is online, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and you have 520 Mbps for reliable downloads. Open Start, go to Settings, then Accounts and confirm your profile shows Administrator. This step unlocks store update options and fixes permission failures. Make sure to pause any VPN or metered connection that could block large downloads. When ready, move to the Microsoft Store app next. Open Microsoft Store and click Library, then select Get Updates so Store and related apps fetch the latest packages. If Store is missing or won't open, run PowerShell as admin and re-register the app using the apps package command. This repairs corrupted manifests. Also check Windows Update and install pending system patches because the store often requires specific OS components. Once those install, restart and repeat Get Updates. If downloads pause, confirm background apps aren't throttling bandwidth. After updates finish, restart your Dell to complete installations and ensure the store launches cleanly. If the store still misbehaves, reset it. Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Microsoft Store right arrow Advanced Options right arrow Reset. This clears cache safely. When problems persist, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, which diagnoses common package and permission issues. One key tip: if downloads keep failing, sign out of the store, switch to a local account, then sign back in. That often refreshes account tokens and fixes stalled updates.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.